Hi, welcome to KIMCHITECH English. You can learn English easily. Study English through real story is very useful. The experience of listening to a story allows us to escape our own lives for a moment and live in another one in a fun and safe way. In the same magical experience, a goldmine of language may be learned. So let's begin.
Where were you?
At the cafe.
With whom?
Just myself.
Really?
Jane, please don't ask.
Ugh, you smell like alcohol.
Yes, I am drunk
Why?
because I was too sad.
Jack, please share your problems with me. Maybe I can help.
It doesn't matter.
You were different. What is happening to you?
Nothing. Last time, I am thinking about us.
But you don't pay attention to me.
Jane, I tried for 2 years for our relationship.
Only you? I waited for you to come from the army. I did not get married. I believed in you.
I appreciate it. I love you more than myself.
But there is no effort on your part. You changed after the army.
I can't express my thoughts in words.
Please don't hide anything.
Jane, I know I've been distant lately, but it's not because I don't care.
Then explain to me, please.
Your gahar, a diamond. It needs a decent hand to carry it. I don't deserve you, Jane.
Why do you think that?
You deserve more.
Is this an excuse to end the relationship?
Your delicate hands must wear expensive rings. You should go to the best restaurant. You should be happy with gifts. You deserve it, but I'm not able to give it to you.
Have I ever asked you to make me one of these?
No, but every girl wants it, I feel. I think also about your happiness. Even if I am in love, I can send that person out of my life.
Together we will reach the wealth. How many people have not reached true love?
You should be happy, Jane.
Yes, every girl may dream of fancy rings and expensive dinners, but none of that matters if it's not with the person she loves.
Jane, you're my guiding light in the darkest of times. You're the most beautiful girl in the world. I'm endlessly grateful to have you in my life. I love you, but sorry for pushing you away.
Jack, I understand where you're coming from, but I don't need expensive things to feel happy with you.
But Jane, don't you want more? Don't you want to live a comfortable life, to have everything you've ever dreamed of?
We can work together to achieve our dreams, to build a life where we're both happy and fulfilled.
But what if I can't provide for you the way you deserve?
Jack, I don't need you to shower me with gifts. I just need you to be there for me, to love me, and to support me. That's all that matters.
But I feel like I'm holding you back. You deserve someone who can give you everything you want. I just don't want you to feel like you're settling for less.
You're not less, Jack.
Jane, I understand your anger and doubt. Sometimes loving someone means making sacrifices, even if it hurts. And yes, it's hard to stay away, but if it means your happiness, I'll do whatever it takes.
Jack, I just need you to fight for us.
I do everything for you, even if you need, I can give you my heart, kidney. But my fate is difficult. I don't want to waste your time.
Jack, I never imagined our journey together would end like this. I don't want to see you cry.
I never wanted to hurt you, Jane. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for not being the man you need me to be.
You've always been more than enough for me, Jack. But maybe it's time we both accept that our ways are different.
I can't lose you, Jane. But I can't bear to see you unhappy because of me.
We both deserve to be happy, Jack, even if it means going our separate ways.
You'll always have a piece of my heart.
I'll always cherish the time we spent together.
I love you, Jane. I always will.
We must move forward and find our own happiness.
Yes, it's time to say goodbye.
I don't think so.
Goodbye, Jack.
No, 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 no.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this kind of video, there are so much more coming. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out. Trust me, you will not want to miss what's next.